All right, guys, welcome to Kitchen Daddy. We are inside again because rain has ruined filming. But this week we're gonna make some wonderful Cajun shrimp. We're talking chili, garlicky shrimp, cooked with some smoked andouille sausage. Guys, an amazing appetizer, really easy to make. So come on, let's get into it. Right, to kick things off, let's grab about 5 cloves of garlic. We're just gonna crush them with the back of the knife. Now let's roughly chop them up. Next, I need 1 green pepper, and we're just gonna chop that into a small dice. Let's grab some ripe cherry tomatoes, and we're just gonna cut them in half. Now this is the Andouille sausage, and guys, it's a pork sausage from Louisiana, so it's got loads of lovely spices mixed into it, and then it's smoked. So if you think about loads of different dishes, people use sausage or cured bacon to add loads more flavor into dishes. So think about, the Spanish using chorizo in dishes. So same principle, wonderful sausage. So what I want to do, instead of cutting it on its side, I want to chop that into a rough dice because I want to try and extrapolate as much of that lovely flavored fat out of that so we get all that lovely flavor into the dish. Right, I've got some lovely big fat juicy shrimp here, and I've just got this shop bought Cajun seasoning. We could make our own, but I thought, you know what, most people are just going to go out and buy one of these, so let's just use this. If you want to know how to make Cajun seasoning, get in the comments. We will make a video on how to do that. But let's just sprinkle over some of that. I mean, we don't want too much, we don't want them completely coated, but let's give that a really good dusting. Now, using your hands, let's mix that all together. Right, let's get a large pan on a nice high heat. Now, even though the pan's cold, we're going to add a good splash of olive oil. Let's get the sausage in there and the green peppers as well. And what we want to do, guys, we want to let that come up to temperature so we can render out some of that lovely sausage fat from the andouille sausages. Okay, give that a good shake. We're going to cook that out for probably about 3 or maybe 4 minutes, okay? Right, that is looking really good, and guys, you can see there's less steam coming off this now, and if you listen, you can hear they're starting to fry in the oil. That is wonderful, and that oil in the pan will be beautifully flavored, and that is exactly what we want. So, okay, now let's add in our garlic, and we're only going to cook that out for probably about a minute and a half. You just want to get that lovely aroma coming off this, okay? That's what we're looking for. Okay, let's get the shrimp in. We want to move them around, give them a quick toss. And guys, they're only going to take maybe a minute, 2 minutes to cook. So we've got to move quite quickly on this. And I'm also going to add in a good knob of butter, because that butter, that's going to help create that wonderful sauce that we can dip our bread in, which you know that's going to be good. Okay, let's also add in the cherry tomatoes as well. Going to give that a little toss as well. Okay, this is looking spectacular, guys. We're going to finish it off with some flat leaf parsley. And let's give a squeeze of fresh lemon as well. Okay, that looks amazing. Let's plate up. Look at that, guys. Absolutely beautiful. And man, that is so good. That is so good. And come on. Oh. Do you know what's amazing, guys? You get the light spice, not over the top, nothing too spicy. but then you get the garlic, yeah, you get the garlic as well, but then you get the smoked sausage coming through, and that is the best thing about this. Well, is it the best thing about it? I don't think so. Bread, sauce. Oh my gosh.